Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to start our chapter number 10 of physics. So our topic would be resistivity. Alright, we are going to discuss that in very detail and stay with me till the end of this video so that we can discuss some important MCQs. Alright, सबसे पहले we need to talk about resistor. Alright, resistor क्या होता है? We'll discuss that first. Hope so. We're gonna start from very scratch. Basically, resistor means resistor. The resistor is a device that opposes the flow of charges. Flow of charges को रोकना. To resist. By the word you can say resist का मतलब ही रोकना होता है. Oppose. Might be wrong with the spelling, but to oppose the flow of charge. एक सर्किट है, एक वायर है, उसमें से करंट पास हो रहा है, ठीक है, चार्ज पास हो रहा है, एंड वी नो दैट फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस इज नोन एज करंट, तो वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट करंट पास हो रहा है. तो अगर हम किसी रेजिस्टर को लगा देते हैं तो उसका पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप हो जाएगा. When electric current pass through a conductor, potential will be drop of that conductor and that is known as resistance. ठीक है? So it was a very basic concept. Now we are moving towards resistivity. We will look into Ohm's law as well in our upcoming videos. Please don't skip that. Alright? So basically resistance जो होता है, if I could say you कि अगर if the resistivity एक वायर की लेंथ is very tiny, very small, so the resistivity would be very small as well. अगर लेंथ ज़्यादा है किसी सर्किट की so the resistivity would be more. So by this statement we can say that the resistivity and the length has the directly relation. Alright, but when it comes to the area, अगर मैं एरिया की बात करूं तो फॉर एग्जांपल ये हमारे पास रेजिस्टिविटी और यहाँ पे हमारे पास एरिया है. अगर मैं रेजिस्टिविटी को बढ़ाऊंगी ना तो हमारे पास एरिया जो होगा ना वो कम हो जाएगा. अगर रेजिस्टिविटी वुड बी लो, अगर रेजिस्टिविटी ध्यान से सुनेगा, अगर रेजिस्टिविटी कम होगी तो हमारे पास एरिया बड़ा होगा, एरिया ज़्यादा होगा. ऑलराइट, सो बाय दिस रिलेशन we got to know that the relationship between the resistivity or you can say the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to area. So अगर हम इस डायग्राम को रीड करें तो how we gonna read this diagram? We will say that the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of a conductor and the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the area of a conductor. Alright, I hope you have understood this. Alright, so resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of a cross section of a conductor. ठीक है, तो it was just a statement जो कि मैंने अभी read करके बताई. But then let's do it. अगर हमारे पास proportionality sign we remove, so we know that we put a constant. R is equal to constant. We are supposing this word constant and L upon A. Right? So the constant that would be in this. Alright, phi. Sorry, it's not phi, but इसका कुछ नाम होता है, मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. so sorry. Phi, I guess. Yeah, sorry, it's not phi, it's rho. So sorry, it's rho. हम rho कहते हैं इसको. ठीक है? I was just confirming it. So rho is equal to RA upon L. We have just shifted the. Alright. So this rho is the constant known as resistivity of a specific resistance, alright, that depends upon area, length and material of a conductor. ठीक है, मटीरियल के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. और रेजिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन टेम्परेचर पे भी डिपेंड करती है. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ कि हमें एक वायर है, उसका हमें टेम्परेचर 0 कर दिया एंड अंदर जो हमारे पास मॉलिक्यूलर जो अरेंजमेंट होगी दैट वुड बी ऑटोमेटिकली 0 एज वेल. ठीक है, मैंने इसको वायर को 0 कर दिया, डिक्रीज कर दिया एंड द टेम्परेचर decreases, temperature increases, the motion of a molecule increases also and amplitude क्या होगा फिर, तो amplitude भी हमारे पास increase होगा. Alright, but when the temperature is 0 means the temperature is decreased, so the molecular motion would be decreased and this would be known as superconductor, जिसको हम प्लाज्मा कहते हैं. Alright, we have discussed that in chemistry. Super atoms थे जो वो तो बोसॉन कहते थे, but this is superconductor. वापस से सुनिएगा. When the temperature increases, अगर टेम्परेचर को हम किसी वायर के अंदर, किसी कंडक्टर के अंदर अगर हम टेम्परेचर को बढ़ा दें, राइट, सो द मोशन ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल, m से डिनोट कर देती हूँ, मोशन ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल विल बी इंक्रीज, सो द एम्पलीट्यूड जो होगा ना इनका, एम्पलीट्यूड वुड ऑल्सो बी इंक्रीज. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन, ये याद रखिएगा. बट देन when the temperature becomes 0, when the temperature is 0 means decrease, ठीक है, and the molecular motion is just stopped or you can say 0, so this would convert into superconductor and this is known as the state of plasma. Alright, I hope everyone got it. ठीक है, so now we are moving towards the unit of resistivity. ठीक है, उसके बाद we will going to discuss about few MCQs, the important MCQs that might come in exam. Alright, I'm so sorry I was on hold. Alright, so we are now going to discuss about the unit of resistivity. Right, so we know that we denote it phi, हम phi से denote करते हैं. Right, we denote it with, sorry, rho, I'm so sorry मैं rho बोल phi बोल रही हूँ. Ohm is the unit of resistivity. ठीक है, meter is square upon meter. Meter square was the unit of, हमने यहाँ पर अभी अभी derive किया है. By this we are going to find out the unit. ठीक है, meter से meter cancel, so rho is equal to ohm meter and ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. Please remember it. alright. So this was air. I hope you got it. Okay. So now we are going to discuss some important MCQs that might come in exams. Alright. So the reciprocal of resistance is known as what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal of resistance is what? That is conductance. ठीक है? I'm not writing down the answers, but then आप लोग खुद लिख लें. The reciprocal of the resistance is conductance. Alright? Then K is equal to 1 upon R. K is equal to R means ohm, and K is equal to ohm inverse. So if I could ask you that ohm inverse is the unit of what, तो आप क्या बताएंगे? कंडक्टेंस. ऑलराइट, हमने अभी अभी यहाँ पे देखा. And ohm inverse is also known as Siemens, right? Siemens. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's something like this. ठीक है? Alright. So now ये हमारा एक पार्ट क्लियर हो गया MCQs का. But when it comes to the reciprocal of resistivity, what? Reciprocal of resistivity. अब आप खुद बताएं, दिमाग में सोचें. It would be conductivity. The reciprocal of resistance is known as conductance. The reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductivity. When we look into the unit of it, we're gonna drive it. जैसे यहाँ पे अभी हमने ऊपर drive किया था, right? So K is equal to 1 upon rho, right? K is equal to, we know that अभी अभी हमने rho की वैल्यू निकाली, that is ohm मीटर. ठीक है, तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, इन्वर्स हो जाएगा ओम इन्वर्स मीटर इन्वर्स. अभी हम देखते हैं. सो ओम इन्वर्स एंड मीटर इन्वर्स इज अ यूनिट ऑफ व्हाट? इज अ यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टिविटी. ठीक है, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मो. रेसिप्रोकल है ओम का, नहीं मतलब आप ऐसे याद रख लें, तो ये मो. ठीक है, this is the unit of conductivity. ठीक है, you need to remember these are very important MCQs that might come in paper. Alright, so अगर मैं एक और सवाल पूछूं, volt upon ampere is the unit of, alright, बहुत easy कर देती हूँ. volt upon ampere, volt upon ampere. This is very important, guys. Please note it down. जिस चीज़ पे मैं स्टार बनाती हूँ, that comes in paper. Ohm, a volt per ampere is a unit of what? Resistivity. Alright, and this is equal to ohm. Proof करके बताऊँ? Alright. हमने अभी तक Ohm's law, I know we do not have studied that, but I'll do that. Alright. ठीक है, so we know that R is equal to V upon I. V is equal to volt and I upon ampere. ये हमारे पास Ohm's law था, जो कि अब हम पढ़ेंगे. This is known as ohm. Alright, and this sign is known as omega. Alright, 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt per 1 ampere. We're gonna discuss these things later, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everything is crystal clear. MCQ, please do watch videos. MCQs भी clear होते जाएंगे. I discuss on and on MCQs in every topic, with every topic. Alright, thank you so much.